Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning all. Let me just introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Alfian with NIM 17096-285. Study Program Office Administration Education. Okay, here I will present my seminar proposal into the development of Canva-based learning media in subject of meeting management PAS F MP SMK Negeri 46 Jakarta. Okay, first chapter. Background: Technology development are currently increasingly progressing. The main purpose of educational technology is to solve learning problem or facilitate learning and to improve performance. In the learning process, teachers often use various media, and one example is the Canva application. According to Aina, the ability of teaching staff is really needed when implementing learning so that learning outcomes get in satisfactory result. Learning media can be the form of device, material, or condition that are used as intermediate in carrying out the teaching and learning process. Therefore, teachers are required to able to create a proper learning media so that the learning process become interesting and of high quality. Quality teachers are able to deliver learning material in a way that is clear, interesting, and easy for students to understand. Good quality teaching can improve student understanding of the material so they can achieve better grades. A teacher must be active in education so that students are more active in carry teaching and learning activity. Learning media experience a number of obstacles that hinder of effectiveness. One of the main obstacles is the limit technology tools with cause a limitation in the variety and interactivity of learning media. In the learning process, teachers of using various media and one example in the Canva application. This application not only helps in delivering material, but also has the potential to increase interest, learning, and development studying creativity. The Canva application can be integrated as a graphic design tool that allow users to easily create various type of creative design online, including greeting, card, poster, brochure, infographic, and presentation. Canva can be accessed in various versions, but via the web and application for iPhone or Android. Okay, next research purpose. To development learning media based on the Canva application in the PSF meeting management subject. To determine the feasibility of learning media based on the Canva application in the PSF meeting management subject. To find out the effectiveness after applying Canva-based learning media to meeting management subject. Okay, next, supporting theory. According to Amano, learning can be defined as system or processing that has been planned or designed to guide the learning process of student or student systematically. The aim of implementing this learning is so that student can achieve learning objective in effective and efficient manner, which involves structured planning, implementation, and evaluation. According to Superman, learning in the digital era requires tools or media that are using to make students more interested in learning. Learning media is message using tool delivered by a teacher to student so that student can understand material. According to Merdiana, she revealed that the media had been developed in form presentation and videos, which were expect to provide attraction and ease of understanding for students. The use of this media is capable of achieving optimal learning outcome. Apart from that this media is also regularly useful in improving cognitive development and providing simulation to students through the moving image and sound vision content learning media. According to Vidya Stuti, Canva is online-based learning application that offers variety of interesting features so it can prevent boredom in the learning process. It's hoped that this variety of can prevent boredom learning process, thus using Canva as learning and the confidently effective way to maintain student interest and development, provide variety in presentation of material, and increase the activity of learning. According to Kurnia, creativity, think, skill are a skill that can be training be giving into individual the opportunity to think and then express the ideas that arise within them according to their interests and needs. According to Ismayani, effort to encourage student creativity are by encouraging students to be creative, teaching students several creative ways kept ideas graded by students. Based on the description, it can be inferred that creativity is ability to create or find new ideas to solve a problem related to discoveries that exist or never existed. Okay, next, relevant research. One, Camilla and Fauya with research and development or interactive learning media based on Canva on practice material for elementary school students. Two, Restu Kurnia and Titin Sunaryati with research and video learning media based on the Canva application to increase student interest in learning. Three, Rahmatullah with research and audiovisual learning media based on the Canva application. Okay, next, research methodology. The research and development time was carried out in November until the research and development stage was complete and the data required by the research was collection. The place where is research and development was carried out was as SMK Negeri 46 Jakarta for fase F. Student process on Street B7 Cipinang, Cipinang Besar, East Jakarta Administration City, Provinsi DKI Jakarta. The sample taken were students of SMK Negeri 46 Jakarta plus F with total of 37 students. Okay, next, research methods. This type of research is development research. According research and development, it is research method using to create innovation, whatever is creating new product or improving existing product to make them more attractive in according with to learning objective of a particular topic. According to Bock and Gold, education, research, and development is a process using to development and validate educational product. According to Mukden R&D, method is research method using the creative innovation, whether is creating new product or improve existing product to make them more attractive in according with the learning objective of a particular topic. The development model used in the research is ADDE model: analysis, design, development, implementation, evaluation. According to Hidayat and Nizar, ADDE is an instructional design model that focuses on individual learning. This model is stage involve immediate on long-term process, is systematic and adopt a system approach to understand human know and learning. To development of AD model filled with product design active in product, namely teaching material to important objective that must be achieved in process of developing teaching material are creative referencing that material that will be used to achieve and learning objective that have been formal and the best teaching material that will be used active and learning objective. Okay, next, observation and questionnaire. Observation where method get information related to learning activity carried out the fase F SMK N46 Jakarta Canva based learning by condition observing research find out how learning activities are in the classroom, including what the media the teaching material using and what problem are in classroom learning. Questionnaire. In this study, research distributed questionnaire to validator and student after using learning media that been created and developed by research. This questionnaire function to find or measure how appropriate and practical teaching material media. This questionnaire must also validate first the answer whether questionnaire is valid or no distribution. Instruments are evaluation tools that determine the success of research. The instrument functions as a tool in closing the necessary. This research instrument is informed a questionnaire of validation sheet, determination of suitability of the content approved input, the different Canva-based learning. The expert validation sheet for this research was adopted for several experts. Considered of material validation sheet, Lynch validation sheet, media validation, and student response sheet. One material validation sheet, two language validation sheets, and last media validation sheets. Okay, next, data analysis technique. Validation test. This is analysis using the index formula. The formula used to calculate data from material experts, media experts, and language experts. This for information. P equal questionnaire data presentation figure. F equal total score obtained. N equal maximum number of scores. Next, test practically. Students fill out the questionnaire by giving a check mark to the category provided by the research based on the Likert scala consists of 5 assessment score. Okay, thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Chapter 4, Result and Discussion. Discussion, research result. The result of this development research is Canva-based learning, media for meeting management, subject for fase F, MP. This development used the ADDE, analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation method. The result of each stage of the development procedure carried out are as follows. Analysis. At this stage, research carried out an analysis of student needs in learning activities by some aspect of problem in learning. This analysis was carried out using a questionnaire involving PACE F, Office Management Student, to obtain information regarding to use of learning resource, as well as limitations and problems in learning activities. After analyzing its design. Design. After analyzing the research, design the learning media to be used at the stake. Research began design the learning video to be developed, namely formulating the specified material and application design. Research formula meeting management material by adjusting to the material and determining product design. Research formulate material from meeting management and determining product design and compile a description and determine product design and compile a description of the material be delivered and displayed on the learning video. Development. Video creation. After design video-based learning media, the next stage is development. At this stage, learning video are development which have been designed using the Canva application. In this process, development is carried out by creating an internal learning video, such as the cover, contents, and translation. Fur- Furthermore, research also link images and videos that have been created via Google Form into video-based learning media at the development stage. Validation test. This validation test is carried out to test the suitability of the product. This validation step was carried out by three validators, namely one material expert from teacher at SMK 46 Jakarta, one learning design expert, and one media expert from Jakarta State University lecturer. Expert validation tests are carried out assess the suitability of material learning design and learning media created using the Canva application. Material expert validation test result. Respondent material expert score 60, maximum score 70, per stage 86, 60, category very worthy. Based on the calculation above, the result of the language validation test obtained a percentage of 86, which is included in very visible category. So it can be considered that the learning videos development are very stable for use or can be tested on student in the learning process. Expert validation test result language response language expert score 60, maximum score 70%, 86% category very worthy. Based on the calculation above, the result of the language validation test obtains a percent of 86, which include the very visible category. So it can be concluded the learning videos developed are very stable for use or can be tested on student in learning process. Expert validation test result media respondent member of the media score 70, maximum score 75%, 93%, category very worthy. Based on the calculation above, the media validation test result obtains a percentage of 93%, which is in the very visible category. So it can be included the that the learning media developed is very suitable for use or can be tested on student in learning process. Implementation. The implementation stage is a continuum of the development stage, namely the learning video product which has been developed and tested for feasibility and through a revision process will be implementation and test to determine its level practicality. This trial was carried out by 35 Phase F office management students. The steps taken to test the practicality of this learning media are as follows. One-to-one evaluation to carry out a practical test on um, video learning development. To first stage carried out is individual test or one-to-one evaluation. Based on the result of the one-to-one evaluation data analysis above, a practice of uh, 81% was obtained, which is included in the very practical category. Next, small group trials. After carrying out at the one-to-one evaluation, the next step is conducting a small group trial. Small group trials were carried out on 10 students taken by random sampling, namely random sampling of the population with paying attention to the starter in population. Based on the result of the small group trial, data analysis above a percentage of 81% was obtained, which was included in a very practical category. So it can be concluded the learning media development is very practical to use or can be tested at the next stage, namely large group trial. Next, large group trials. After conditioning a small group trials, the next step is to condition a large group trials. The group trial was conditioned by all students of phase of office admin management, except for students who had done one-to-one evaluation and small group trials, which were uh, 22 students. Based on the result of the large group trials, data analysis above a percent of 82% was obtained, which include in very practical category. So it can be considered that the learning media development is very practical to use or can already be used in learning activity. Okay, next evaluation. After carrying out a validation test to determine feasibility and a practicalization test to determine the practicality of the learning video being developed. The next stage is being evaluation stage. This stage determines the final result of the development of teaching material created and development by research. From the result of validation test, from three validator and trial carried on one out office management pass F student. It can be said the learning videos developed are very visible and very practical to use and can be used for learning activities. Okay, next learning media qualification. The learning media developed is said to be visible if it has gone through validation tests from several experts. According to Arikunto, a learning video is said to visible if it has reached a minimum percentage of 61% or in the visible category. So videos can be used as learning media. The concept-based learning videos development by research are good or suitable for use. This is in accordance with the result of validation analysis, which have been assessed by several experts, namely material expert with a percentage of 85% in very approved category, language expert with a percentage of 94% as very approved, and media expert 93% category is very visible. From the three validator, an average percent value of 91% can be taken with the very visible category, namely that the learning video is very stable for use and testing, although there are still several revisions. They must be corrected by research, so the learning videos development are according with the assessment in terms of material, language, and media and can be tested. And next, practicality. The learning video development are said to be practical in if they have gone through practicalization tests carried out by students. Research conducted practicalization tests on PASE FMP students at SMK and 46 Jakarta with a total of uh, 35 students. The practicalization test will carry out the three stages, namely the one-to-one evaluation stage carried out by three students who obtained a percentage of 82%. Small group trial carried out by school students with a percentage of 81%, and large group trials carried out by 22 students with a percentage of 82%. From the three test stage, an average percent value of 82% can be taken which category as very practicality Namely, the learning video is very practical to use and can be used learning activities. Maybe that's all I can say. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.